Hello everyone, I am Salil and I am pursuing Masters in Data Science at EPITA. In this video, we are going to look at how to use Linus, which is a security auditing and system hardening tool for Linux based systems. First of all, what is Linus? Linus is a security auditing tool for Linux based systems. What Linus do? Linus checks the system and software configurations and see if there is any chance for the improvement of the security and ways how we can harden our security measures of the system. One of the important thing about using this Linus tool is that it does not provide system hardening automatically. That is, when we just by typing or using the Linus tool, it does not automatically harden our system, but instead it shows us by giving certain tips like warnings and suggestions and details on how to harden and make our system much secure. That is actually how we can use Linus. Actually, it is an auditing tool and it shows results and various methodologies how we can secure and harden our system. In this video, we will go through how we are installing the Linus tool and how we do security auditing with Linus, how we fix warnings and implement the suggestions after the audit report, and also details regarding the hardening index, which is one of the audit report gives to the end of this audit report by Linus tool. So let us move on to the terminal. First of all, let us look the information regarding in which Linux based distribution we are working on. For that, we type the command lsp release a. So we are working in the Ubuntu distribution description Ubuntu 20.04 release, which is the latest version of Ubuntu. So first of all, I type the basic command of Linus show, which will normally show us all the parameters and arguments which we can do in Linus tool. But when I type this command, it says command Linus not found but can be installed with sudo apt install Linus. So I continue and we will begin our Linus tool tutorial by installing Linus tool. So I follow the command sudo apt install Linus in order to install the Linus. It asks me the password of the system. I type the password and it's installing. So just after installing the Linus, I will go to the basic command of Linus, which is Linus show, which shows us the parameters and arguments available in Linus tool. So there is a lots of additional arguments which we can avail in Linus tool, which is Linus show categories, Linus show commands, Linus show details, Linus show environments, etc. Linus show version. So let us look on to some of a few. Linus show version, which will show us the currently using version of Linus, which is 2.7.5, which is shown as result. Next, let us look Linus show environment, which will Linus show environment, which will say virtual machine and virtual machine type as VirtualBox. It is because I am running this Ubuntu latest version in VirtualBox using VirtualBox. That's why it says virtual machine type as VirtualBox. Now let us look another command, which is Linus show OS. As we already know, we are using Ubuntu. By this command, it will say us our OS type as Linux, OS name Ubuntu Linux, full version, full name and version Ubuntu 20.04 and version 20.04. So let us look another command, Linus show report, which will show the location where the audit report which we do will save. So it will be saved in this path, or it will be saved as report like this. So let us move on to the important section of using the Linus tools. Before that, we look what all commands are available using Linus. Linus show commands. So the commands are Linus audit for auditing, Linus configure to configure the system, Linus generate, Linus show, which we already see like various parameters and all, which we can do to know details regarding various sections, and Linus update to update the system, update the Linus to the latest version, etc. So let us move to the important section, which is the system auditing using Linus. For that, I use the command Linus audit system. So the system audit will begin, and it normally takes up to 1 minute. So it begins the auditing of the system, starting by detecting the OS, checking the OS, checking the Linus version, etc. Then boots and services, then scans the memory and processes, kernels, USB devices, network file systems, storages, ports and packages. And this Linus audit system is a very detailed scanning of the system, which scans and audits each and every section of the system and shows us and gives us a detailed report where we have warnings or threats or certain suggestions in which or how we can improve the security measures of our system. So still the auditing is going on. Just the command Linus audit system directly begins the auditing of the system just after we install the Linus tool, just by the command Linus sudo apt install Linus to install the Linus tool, and directly Linus audit system to audit the system. So still the scanning is going on through security frameworks, software, file integrity, system tools like automation tools, softwares and malwares, file permissions, home directories, kernel hardening, and to the end of this report it is the warnings and suggestions, and in the end it is the hardening index. So let's take a look at the warnings and suggestions sections of the audit report, which is the important thing for us. So in here in my system, when I do the Linus, use the tool Linus to audit the system, there is no warnings. So it displays the message great, no warnings. But there is 28 suggestions. So it is the same way how we can fix warnings as well as suggestions. So let's take a look at suggestions. So the first suggestion is this release is more than 4 months old, consider upgrading, and followed by a link. So this line gives what the suggestion is, and this line shows the solution, and this shows the source where we can find the solution, like that. So there is 28 different suggestions. So let's take a look at one suggestion like configure maximum password, and this is the suggestion ID. Similarly, if there is a warning here, that warning will be followed by a warning ID. So here this suggestion is followed by a suggestion ID AUTH9286. Let's take a look at how we can solve this suggestion. What we need to do is just open this link which provides in our audit report. So when we open that link, the link will open and will show what kind or category this suggestion is. So the category of the suggestion, like we can see, is authentication. So it is something related to authentication of our system. So description, it is the proper protection against weak passwords and regular changes, limits the risk of cracking passwords or being obtained by unauthorized people. So this is related to our authentication problem of our system, and that it explains how to solve this problem. Thus, in this way, we can solve each and every suggestions, each and every 28 suggestions which is shown in this detailed audit report. So similarly, if there is a warning, we can also do this same method to solve or fix the warnings. Thus we have see how to fix and how to implement warnings and suggestions from the audit report through Linus tool. Now let's move on to the final section of the audit report, which is the hardening index. Here the hardening index is shown as 65. Actually, this hardening index is a percentage. What percentage? The percentage of how much our system is secure. So here it means 65% our system is secure. So we can increase this measure by implementing or decreasing or solving each and every warnings and suggestions. So higher the number of suggestions and warnings we implement or we fix, the higher will be the hardening index, which means the more will be our system or the more secure will be our system and harden against threats. It also shows us the number of the tests it's performed, etc. So this is the final part. This is the final and last section of our audit report, and it shows to the conclusion Linus 2.75 auditing system hardening and compliance for Unix based systems. So we saw many suggestions. So if we want to know detail about each suggestion or each warning, we can rather than going to the link, we can use another command like so let's take an example, HRDN 7222 suggestion, and we can see the details about this particular suggestions by the command show Linus show details and type that ID 7 suggestion ID 7222. By just typing this command, we can know the detailed reports about each and every suggestions. So that is all about suggestions. So just take a look at these suggestions. PKGS 7398. Linus show details PKGS 7398. So when we type that command, we can see the detailed suggestions related to that particular command. When we type that Linus show details followed by the suggestion ID, we can see the details about the suggestions of that particular suggestion. So in this way we can implement suggestions and warning. So last and final thing is that we know how to install Linus. So if we want to uninstall or remove Linus, we can just do it by sudo apt remove Linus. It will ask continue. Yes. So in this way, by the command sudo apt remove Linus, we can also remove Linus. So this Linus is removed now. So this is the end of how to use this Linus tool, and we covered how to install, how to audit, how to implement the warnings and suggestions in the audit, and also how to look the details about each and every warnings, and also how to remove the suggestion, remove or uninstall Linus. So let's go through a quick uh, conclusion through the steps which we have followed. We looked how to install Linus and displayed the various commands and parameters available in Linus. We begin by auditing the system and went through different phases in the system, and we looked how to fix the audited warnings and how to implement suggestions. And the hardening index, it is a percentage and shows how much our system is secure, and higher the hardening index means higher our system is secure. Conclusion, thus this is how we can use Linus tool to audit and make our system secure and harden against security threats. And these are the main commands which we have used so far in this, and how to install, how to show information, versions and commands, how to audit, how to know the details about a specific warning or suggestions, how to remove Linus. So that is the end to our tutorial video on using Linus tool, which is a security auditing and system hardening tool for Linux based systems. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye.